breakfast time. Alright, so Asya here had been diagnosed with oral squamous cell carcinoma, and that affected her lower jaw. So she actually underwent a procedure, mandibulectomy. Let's see if she lets me film her jaw here. You can see she actually had a good 50% of her lower jaw removed. Yeah, you can see a little tongue sticking out. You can see the lower jaw is missing. So we've been feeding her almost exclusively wet food, but recently we've been trying to get her to eat dry food. And I really want to show you, just really quickly, hi friend, how we've been training her that she can actually eat dry food and show you her progress on that. Alright, so we have our quarter cup of dry food and a screaming cat. So the way that we first tried to teach her to eat dry food is we would hold the food, come on, focus camera, there we go, kind of using our thumb as a support under the food, kind of as her lower jaw. So I'll show you how that works. She do this. Oop, we dropped it. Okay, she gets a little aggressive at first. Well, she's gotten so good at it that now she can pick it up off the floor. This is how we kind of trained her to use her tongue. There we go. So, we did that for a number of days, and then we found we could add a few bits to a bowl, and now we can really just add them all. Spread them out. Listen to the screams of excitement.
And watch as she has just figured out how to use her tongue to pick up the bits better. She used to use her lower jaw, kind of bite at them, and after she had that removed, she was unable to eat her dry food. But now, she's figured it out. You can see she's just devouring these bits. She missed her dry food so much. As you can see, she struggles with a couple of bits here and there, but she goes after other ones, gets that figured out, and she'll go back for the ones that caused her problems later. She'll be able to go get maybe all but one or two of the bits in this plate, sometimes all of them.
So she's still working away. It's been another minute or two. Some people might be wondering, why are you giving her dry bits? She's not chewing them. How is she supposed to chew when she doesn't have a lower jaw? So she only had about 50% of the front of the lower jaw removed, and she still has back molars for both the top and the bottom. If she wanted to, she could chew. Even when she had all of her teeth, though, all of her jaw, she just inhaled her dry bits. She's not one for chewing. That is an unnecessary step of getting food from the plate into her belly. So don't judge her. A little over 5 minutes in here. You can see she's gotten almost all the bits. She's still going. Looks like today's gonna be one of those days she doesn't feel like leaving anything for later. Sometimes she likes to pull a bit out, put it on the floor, and try it that way. No, she's got 2 out there that she hasn't. She has 1 out there. Okay. Oops. Go get it. Nah, leave that one for later. You got better up there. Yeah. There you go. Hey, buddy. I know. I know. Good job. Couple of bits evaded you, but you'll be back for them, right? How about right now? We're down to 2. Good job. Good job. Got that one. Nice. You wanna go after those 2? Nah, you'll leave those for later, I guess. What? Good job. We'll see you all later.